But is it necessary to talk to a traveler before presenting a brochure?
About the tour?
Right? When talking about the tour, what is it necessary for the traveler to get information from the traveler?
Traveler should provide the information about the interest or the needs and preferences that he is looking for in a travel.
Right. What do you need to ensure when you are present a brochure to a traveler?
When you are presenting a brochure to a traveler, one must ensure that all the information related to the traveling or the contact information and other information has been there.
Right. What are the things which should be kept in mind while presenting the brochure to the traveler?
While presenting brochure to the traveler, it must be make sure that all the information regarding the traveling agency has been there and the things that are mentioned in the brochure are according to the need and preferences of the traveler.
Right. Which option is less confusing for travelers?
Limited option.
Right. Why is it necessary to highlight the main elements of the brochure with highlights?
So, in order to develop interest in order to develop interest of the traveler.
Right. What should be kept in mind while showing brochures to traveler?
That all the information regarding the traveling is there in the brochure.
Right. What should the traveler be encouraged related with the brochure?